Hi, today we're going to be learning about area. So there are two ways that you will have to figure out the area of a shape. This first way is a more simple way to figure out the area. You will just simply count the number of squares in each shape. The second way is by multiplying length times width. So first we're going to start with this more simple basic way. So if we look at this first square that we have here, this first shape, to figure out the area, I am simply going to count how many squares are in the shape. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means that the area of this first shape is 9 square units. Now let's look at this second shape. How many squares do you count? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the area of that second shape is 5 square units. Now let's look at this third shape. How many squares do you count? What is the area of this third shape? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the area of this third shape is 7 square units. Now on your quiz tomorrow, this is how you are going to be expected to figure out the area of a shape. You will not be multiplying the length times the width for your quiz tomorrow, but it is still an important skill to learn, so we're going to practice it next. So looking at this square, I see that they labeled both or two of the sides of the square 4 feet. And the formula to figure out area is length times width. So looking at this square, this side is the length and this side is the width. So that means that if we're trying to figure out the area of this square, I should be multiplying 4 times 4. What does 4 times 4 equal? Well, 4 times 4 equals 16. And don't forget that when you're writing area, you're going to want to put the label, the feet, and then you have to put this small little 2 for squared. Now, when you're typing in your answers on Google Docs, do not worry about the little 2, the squared symbol, because you're not able to type that on a computer on Google Docs very easily. But when you're writing it on paper, it's important to remember to put the squared symbol on there. Let's try another one. So looking at this rectangle, the different lengths of the sides are 6 feet and 3 feet. Now remember, the formula to figure out area is length times width. So this side is the length, the 6 feet side, and then the 3 foot side is the width. So then to figure out the area, we're going to be multiplying 6 times 3. So what does 6 times 3 equal? Well, 6 times 3 equals 18. So I'm going to put my area equals 18 feet squared, because I can fit 18 squares, 1-inch squares inside of this shape. All right, for this next one, we have one of the sides is 7 feet long and the other side is 5 feet long. So the length is going to be this 7-foot side, and then the width is going to be this 5-foot side. So then remember, if the formula to figure out area is length times width, what two numbers are you going to multiply together? Well, you're going to multiply together 7 times 5, or 5 times 7. So what does that equal? That equals 35 feet squared. I hope this makes sense to you. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day.